Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make sitemap for Blogger blog. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Blogger and you need to log in into your Blogger account first. So I already logged in. So once you are in your blog, you simply need to click on settings. So once you are in your settings, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see crawlers and indexing. So the first step you simply need to turn off this from here and then you simply need to click on view blog. So once you are here you simply need to add slash robots.txt, then you simply need to hit enter and here you can see that sitemap is created for your website, and from here you simply need to copy this. You simply need to copy, go back, you need to enable this, click on custom robots.txt and here you need to add and click on save. So this is the easy process by which you can make sitemap for Blogger blog. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.